What's up, you guys? So I'm going to be unboxing my Curology free trial, and okay, so this is what it looks like. It has this pamphlet and it has the cleanser and it says to subtract dirt. Now this is the moisturizer. It's pretty.
Finally. Oh shit.
This is, I'm guessing this is the formula. And it comes like this. Overall, I paid just shipping, which was like $6. I think it's worth it to try it, and if you like it, continue and buy it. You have your cleanser. I'm guessing this is your custom formula. Yeah. And your moisturizer. But if you end up not liking it, I think you could just cancel your trial. But if you like it, just continue using it. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Also, if you guys want me to do a video testing, well, not really testing, but to see if it actually works, let me know in the comments and I'll give you guys little updates.